people, welcome to my new video. What is my plan for today? Let me tell you a story. Ever since the Still Into You music video by Paramore came out, I've been wanting to do the split hair dye thing that Hailey has in that video. And I don't want to be a copycat or anything, but Hayley Williams has just always been a huge inspiration for me. The music video came out in April 2013, so 5.5 years ago. I got this inspiration from my queen, Hayley Williams, and I never did it. I have dyed my hair I don't know how many times. Seriously, I think I actually had pretty much every color that you could think of, but somehow I was always too scared to actually do the split hair color thing. A few weeks ago, the BTS music video for Idol came out, and V also has a split hair dye in this music video, and that was like the last little push that I needed to finally do it. And also, like, I'm blonde at the moment, and I don't know when I will be blonde again, so I will just take this chance finally do it. I'm gonna dye my hair pink and blue, and I chose a new hair dye company for this experiment. Today I chose to try Heyoo. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it has coconut oil in it, it's a natural, vibrant hair color. Yeah, sounds great. Like this, sounds great. I'm not quite sure if I want to mix it with some conditioner. We will see how the hair dye looks when I put it in. 2 little glass containers, which is the next thing you will need. I also have a plastic fork here in case I need to mix it with conditioner, and I don't have a plastic spoon. Gloves. I don't have hair dye gloves, but I bought these ones to dye my hair. That's why they're a little bit purple, and I'm gonna use them again. And last but not least, you need something like this. When I dye my hair, I normally just like put it in my hand and then put it on my hair, but I think this time, since we have to really split the hair and use 2 different colors, I think I will have to use this little brush thingy here. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out to look on my hair, especially because it's not completely light blonde. I mean, here it is pretty light, pretty blonde, but on the roots, is it called roots? Yeah, my roots are my natural hair color, and so I don't know if it's too dark, but I actually like it if there's like a gradient. I don't know if gradient is the right word. My English today is really bad, I'm sorry. Yeah, we will see how it turns out. I thought the hair has to be wet or a towel dry for applying this color, but apparently it has to be dry. So I just washed my hair and I dried it. So before I blow dried my hair, I already did like a middle parting, and I just have to do it in the back, and I think the back is gonna be really hard. Also, I live alone, so there's no one here that can help me with this, but I will just try my best. Oh, this is so hard. It's so hot in here as well. What the heck is this? Can you see how much I'm sweating? You know what? I will probably regret this later, but that's the best that I can and want to do right now. I think I'll just leave it like that. It seems pretty even to me, so I don't care anymore. The last thing that we have to do is taking off our jewelry. Why do I say we the whole time? I'm constantly imagining like a group of people just doing the same. You're my students, and I'm gonna teach you how to do something that I've never done in my life. The only time that I take these necklaces off is when I dye my hair, because you know they have such a special meaning to me. Okay, also giving it a little sniff. Oh, it actually smells really, really nice. So let's see how the color looks. Okay, let's just quickly check the pink color as well, so I know if I should add conditioner to any of these colors. Okay, the pink one is really, really bright. I think I might add conditioner to the pink one, but for now, let's start with the blue one. I will start applying it to my hair now, and I'm super excited and nervous. Paramore, where are you? I need you now. Shuffle. That's so weird. I put it on shuffle and Still Into You is the first song that comes on. That's so weird. And I know this is not the most professional way to do stuff like that. It has always worked that way. So I just believe in myself and stick to the methods that I always do. In case any hairdresser watches this, please don't judge me. I think I'm done with that side. Oh boy. What 2 colors does Harley Quinn have? Isn't she blue and pink? Oh, everybody's gonna make Harley Quinn jokes. It's so bright. It looks like I put like marker on it. I think we're done. Whew, that's... wow. My bathroom looks like I just murdered an bubblegum factory employee. But this is how it looks right now. Look at my hands. What is this? The package says you should leave the hair dye in for 30 minutes or longer. So yeah, I guess I will leave it in for another 30 minutes. Then I will wash it out and then I guess I will show you the result. So see you later and hopefully everything will turn out to be okay. Look at this! I am so happy with how it turned out. It's so bright. Like, do you see this? Oh, I love it so much. I'm so happy with the outcome. The only thing that bothers me a little bit, but that's not a big problem at all, is because of the coconut oil, my hair is a little bit greasy right now. I don't know if you can see it, but it feels like I have oil in my hair, and it also looks like I haven't washed my hair in a few days. So that's kind of annoying for this video right now, but it's not a big deal. But other than that, I'm super satisfied with the results. I think the color is just amazing. Like, the pink is so bright and also the blue. I do have to admit that I wouldn't mind if the blue would be a little bit more baby blue, but I also love this color a lot, so I can't really complain. Let's see how it looks from behind. I haven't really checked out how it looks from behind because I don't really have a proper mirror. But yeah, I'm so satisfied. It's so weird because it feels so natural to me. I don't know, it just feels like it belongs. Oh. Okay, now can you see how happy I am? Also, I'm so excited to see what like hairdos look like. I mean, I usually have just like a half bun. Oh, that looks even better. I love it so much. Or a ponytail. Wait, that's so cool. That's honestly amazing. Look at that. Wow. Even the roots are like blue and pink. It's super cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video here. If you want to see more of me, I usually make like music related videos. Recently my channel somehow transformed into a reaction channel, which was not my intention actually, but I just really enjoy making these kinds of videos. And other than that, There are some travel videos. I love to travel, and yeah, apparently beauty and hair dye videos. Oh man. So yeah, if you want to see more of me, you can click subscribe here. Oh, I need to update my profile picture now. I feel so fancy. Yeah, click subscribe if you want to, and I really hope to see you very, very soon in another video at another time. Goodbye, people.